Hi, my name's Sam from Webinar Experts, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can set a time limit for your breakout rooms in Zoom. Okay, so you don't want people in those breakout rooms for too long and you want to set a time limit. This is how you do it. To add a time limit to your breakout rooms, simply head to the Options tab before opening any of the rooms. You'll find this pop-up window appears, giving you a few more options to choose from allowing participants to choose the room, to allowing participants to return to the main session. There's lots in here actually that's really useful, but we're interested in this one. Breakout rooms close automatically after. Now if we tick this box and choose 10 minutes, that means that after 10 minutes, everyone will be notified that the rooms are going to close. Once that room closes, then participants will be given a countdown for how long it will take to get them back into the main room. Currently that countdown is set at 10 seconds. I like to set this at 60 seconds as it gives people good warning to finish up what they're talking about. Now once these two have been ticked and our time limit been chosen, you can simply click off this window and open all rooms. As you can see, a countdown clock has begun for the breakout rooms. We're now at 9 minutes and 50 seconds. Once it gets to 10, that room will automatically close and the 60-second countdown timer begin before people rejoin the main meeting. If for some reason you'd like to close the meetings before the countdown ends, simply hit Close All Rooms, and this will force everyone to come back to the main meeting immediately. And our time's up. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more great tips and tricks on how to use Zoom, do hit that subscribe button below. I'd really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you next time.